Hello, this is Joan of Arc. Laid back weekend here with Jaja. Dog words. What are these Ilonggo dog words we address to dogs as commands usually? The Ilonggo vocabulary for dog commands is pretty limited and simple. Just a few words for dogs to obey, such as come and go. The Ilonggo dog word for come, I usually call them by their names, of course. Jaja, come here. So Jaja, dali di. We call them by their generic word. We address them generically with just totoy. Totoy comes from the word totoy, which means pup or puppy. So that's a little dog, totoy. And then when we call the little pup or the dog itself, we call them totoy, totoy, totoy. And then with a little totoy, totoy. It has to be in dog language, in dog accent as well. So, totoy. You say it with a higher pitch, totoy, and slur it so it sounds like turi, 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 turi. So that's how you call dogs in Ilonggo. Turi, 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 with a turi, turi, turi. And it becomes toy, toy, toy. See, it's effective. Now, People is responding to my call, but Jaja is warding him off. The opposite of that. Silly, silly, go away, go silly, away. Silly, silly. So that's totoy and silly in dog accent. Halin, Halin, leave me. Halin, get off me. Halin, come on. Halin, Halin, go. Shoo, Halin. That's also. So when you want to call the dog to attention, you just say attention. If you don't want the dog inside the house, so you want him outside, so you say gua, meaning out, gua. But we're already outside. This is already gua. This is already out. And if you want to command the dog to go inside the house, go to your room. Sulud, get inside. Sulud. So that's just out and in, gua and sulud. Now you don't even say yes or no to the dog, or you just say hindi. So if the dog is doing something that you don't like him to do or her to do, just say no, hindi. But you rarely say yes to a dog. It's quite off saying yes to a dog. It's just no. No, if the dog is naughty, tonto nga ido. Tonto, bad dog, tonto nga ido. Oh, buot nga ido. Good dog. Well, if you call a dog because it's time to eat, just bang their food bowl and they would know that it's dinner time. Or just call them toy. Yeah, whistle is also necessary. If they're far away and tutoy is not enough to summon them, you just whistle. People. There's also this word that they tell the dogs if they want to stir the dog to anger. They call it is. But the sound is just a series of S's. That's if you want to stir them to anger, you want to provoke them. They also follow commands in English like sit or fetch or roll over. So those are our Ilonggo dog commands. Pretty simple. I have a new name for myself whenever Jaja is with me. It's Joan of Arc. So I hope you learned something new today again. This is Joan of Arc and Jaja. Bye-bye for now.